For homeowners in Loves Park, keeping a home comfortable and energy efficient is a year-round priority. From chilly winters to warm, humid summers, your windows play a major role in how well your home maintains indoor temperatures. If your windows are old, drafty, or outdated, they may be costing you more in energy bills than you realize. That's why so many Loves Park residents are investing in new replacement windows, a smart upgrade that delivers immediate comfort and long-term savings. Here's how modern replacement windows significantly improve energy efficiency and help you enjoy a more comfortable home in every season. Better insulation keeps indoor temperatures stable. Energy-efficient replacement windows are designed with advanced insulating technologies that reduce the amount of heat transferred between inside and outside. This is especially important in Loves Park, where seasonal temperature swings can cause older windows to lose effectiveness. Today's windows often include double or triple pane glass argon or krypton gas fills between panes, insulated frames that reduce heat loss, weathertight seals to prevent drafts. These features help maintain a steady indoor temperature, reducing the need for your heating or cooling system to run constantly. Reduced drafts for greater comfort. Drafts are one of the most common issues with older windows, and they're a major source of energy loss. When cold air seeps into your home during winter or hot air enters in summer, your HVAC system has to work harder to keep up, driving up energy costs. New replacement windows eliminate these issues through improved sealing technology, reinforced frames, precision installation, stronger, more durable weather stripping. By minimizing air infiltration, your home feels more comfortable in every room, and your energy usage becomes far more efficient. Low-E glass helps control heat gain and loss. Low-E, low emissivity glass is one of the most effective energy-saving features available today. It helps reflect heat back into your home during winter and blocks heat from entering during summer. For Loves Park homeowners, this means warmer rooms in cold months, cooler indoor temperatures in summer, reduced glare while maintaining natural light, lower heating and cooling bills year-round. Low-E coatings also block harmful UV rays, protecting your interior furnishings from fading over time. Improved window frames enhance performance. The frame material plays a major role in a window's energy efficiency. Older wood frames may warp, rot, or develop gaps, while outdated aluminum frames conduct heat easily. Modern replacement windows offer better performing options such as vinyl, which resists warping and provides excellent insulation, fiberglass, known for durability and energy efficiency, composite materials, which combine strength with low heat transfer. These materials help keep your windows performing well for decades, no matter what the Midwest climate brings. Reduced condensation for a healthier home. Excess condensation can indicate energy loss and lead to problems such as mold growth and damage to window frames. New replacement windows reduce condensation thanks to improved seals, insulated glass, and better thermal performance. This helps prevent moisture buildup, protect window sills and surrounding walls, create a healthier indoor environment, lower energy bills and long-term savings. Because replacement windows minimize air leaks and regulate indoor temperatures, they significantly reduce the workload on your HVAC system. Over time, this leads to lower monthly energy bills and extends the life of your heating and cooling equipment. The savings can be substantial, making window replacement one of the highest return upgrades for Loves Park homeowners. Increased home value and comfort. Energy efficient replacement windows offer more than lower bills. They increase your home's resale value, improve curb appeal, enhance day-to-day comfort, make rooms brighter and more enjoyable. Buyers in Loves Park recognize the value of modern windows, making this upgrade a smart investment whether you plan to stay long-term or sell in the future. Final thoughts. For Loves Park homeowners looking to improve comfort and efficiency, new replacement windows offer one of the most effective, long-lasting upgrades available. With better insulation, advanced glass technology, improved frame materials, and reduced drafts, they help your home use energy more efficiently in every season. If you're ready for a more comfortable home and lower utility bills, Replacement windows are a smart investment that delivers immediate and long-term benefits.